Oliver, so you're a professional rugby player, Oliver, and you've had a nasty injury to that left ankle, is that fair to say?
Yeah, that is very true.
You tore all your ligaments.
Yeah, indeed.
And we went ahead and we internally braced it. We repaired your ligaments and internally braced it some 5 weeks ago, I think now.
Exactly 5 weeks ago.
And we'll just quickly have a wee look at those ankles together. We just see that we just measured your calf circumference, identical. Bring your feet up for me. Great. Matching straight down for me. Great. And we've just tested stability, and the ankle itself felt very, very stable. And you feel confident in it? It feels stable as the other side?
Fully confident, just the same, yeah.
Just the same. But you were telling me you've also started an anti-gravity treadmill?
Yeah, indeed, yeah. I've been able to run whilst being injured at half my body weight.
Half your body weight.
So I'm still getting the legs pumping and getting a sweat on.
Fantastic. So we're only at week 5. We've got a stable, healthy joint that's pain-free, and you're ready starting some of your light running program.
Indeed, yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you. Great. So Rory, just a wee update. I saw your name in the media. You're back playing 8 weeks after you had your ankle ligaments reconstructed following an acute rugby injury, using this internal brace, and you played on Saturday. And did you win?
Yeah, I won.
Won. And you didn't. You felt you were ready for action.
Yep, it's been perfect. Since I've started running, I've never had any problem.
No problems at all. That's you.
Been playing fine, so.
Fantastic. What a great advert for the internal brace.
Yeah.
Excellent.